Data Consolidation. Introduction. If you have two or more Excel worksheets that are identical in structure but have different values, you can use Excel's Data Consolidate feature to consolidate the data into a summary report in a single sheet. For example, suppose you have a workbook that consists of two worksheets. One worksheet has some students' names and is subject-wise marks of Term 1. The second worksheet has the same information but for Term 2. You can create a worksheet listing the students' subject-wise average marks of Term 1 and Term 2. Consolidation. Let us do this simple exercise to understand the concept of consolidation. Construct a workbook similar to the one shown. This book has 5 similarly constructed worksheets. 4 of the worksheets have data entered in various points of time. The 5th sheet is where we want the consolidated data to be shown. The image shown is for your understanding. These tables are in 5 different sheets. They have different data, but the structures is the same. To start with, select the destination range where you want to view the consolidated data as shown. Select the Data tab on the ribbon and click Consolidate command button. In the Consolidate dialog box, select the desired function from the Functions list box. Here, the function average is selected for the illustration. Type the location of the data. See the range address, follow the sheet name and the semicolon symbol, or keep the cursor in the reference input box 1 and click on the Expand dialog box button 2. Select the data range. Click Add to add the reference to the All Reference List box. Select and add as many regions as you want by selecting the sheet and then selecting the data range. Check the Create Links to Source Data. Check box. Click OK. Consolidated Sheet. Now you have the consolidated sheet that shows the average marks of each subject for each student. To view the input data of the consolidated report, click on the views listed as numbers as shown in this image.